Keep it wide, Z, keep him wide! Lock him in!
I think you get to a certain age where you're always thinking what you're doing next. I love football, so I like seeing it from a slightly different point of view.
Good, Echo, great pressure, Echo!
It's always something I've been sort of interested in and wanted to potentially look at doing. And then having known what the guys are like at the FAW and the course that is available, yeah, it was something I wanted to do.
So over the last 12 months, Chris and other international players like Neil Taylor and Ashley Williams, to name but a few, they're just transitioning now from that playing background with the interest of wanting to become coaches and managers in the future.
When the ball's being switched.
So tonight, Chris, with his local club, from his time at Reading, he's working with Bracknell Town, who've just recently had promotion, talented group of senior players, so it gives him an opportunity to be challenged now for a team training session to see whether or not he can show that coaching competency that meets the standards required by UEFA.
2, 3, brilliant, perfect!
I'm good friends with Chris, and I heard he wanted to get into coaching, and I think he's going to be a wonderful coach when he decides to go into his coaching, but I still think he's got a while playing yet. It happened just us really chatting, to be fair, and when he said he would come in and do a little bit, you're not going to say no to Chris Gunter, are you, to come in and do some coaching, so it's been a pleasure having him in with us.
I think a lot of people assume and think that, you know, you turn up, you do a few sessions and you get ticked off and you get your badges. Because, you know, they'll do you a favour, or you play for Wales, so yeah, I'm sure you get looked after. It's certainly not the case.
Coaching isn't easy. The planning process is really key, and that's most probably been the biggest challenge for all our ex-players transitioning into coaching, is understanding the concept and the process of how they plan a session, how they deliver it, and then the important bit after, how they reflect to improve their performance.
The care that they give and the detail they go into, they're a credit to Welsh football, and everything at the minute. They probably sum up Welsh football in terms of on the pitch with the current team, the women's team, everything that's going on. You know, the coaching side of it is spot on, and long may it continue. That's the general thing. When it goes wide, try and keep it wide. I'm still a player and still feel like I've got a lot to offer, but this is all just preparing if and when I want to use it.
Play this one, Tim. Can you stop?
I do believe he will manage in the national side in many years to come, and if there's rumours I'm hearing he might go in the under-16s, under-17s to help them out, wow, they're going to be lucky boys.
When the ball's here and Z's going to press.
I still believe he's got 2-3 years left in football. I hope he stays at the game. I hope he keeps trying to do his best for the Welsh national squad like I know he does. And I hope he goes to the World Cup with his experience and plays in the World Cup.
June looks after herself. You know, we've been good over the years at dealing with big games in terms of preparing the exact same, and you know, they won't come much bigger than this. It's a busy schedule, but one that hopefully when we all finally get on the plane to go on our summer holidays, you know, at the end of June, you know, we'll go into a World Cup.